On a busy city street, the raised curb looks harmless. Yet for a wheelchair user, a stroller, or a delivery cart, it is a wall that stops them in their tracks. This invisible barrier made daily trips feel like an obstacle course, and many people simply gave up on places they loved. City planners in the 1960s saw the problem but thought fixing it would be costly and would ruin the clean lines of the sidewalk. Early attempts to add large ramps were clumsy, took up space, and created new trips for pedestrians. The challenge grew: how could a city make sidewalks usable for everyone without breaking the flow of traffic or the visual order of streets? The answer arrived from the streets themselves. In the early 1970s, a group of disability activists in New York began to demand a simple solution. Designers realized that a gentle, smooth slope, only a few inches long, could replace the steep curb. By cutting the curb at a shallow angle, they created a curb cut that let wheels glide over the edge. The change cost only a fraction of the expected budget and required no extra land. The first curb cuts were installed in a handful of neighborhoods, and the results were immediate. Wheelchair users could cross streets, parents could push strollers, cyclists could ride safely, and even delivery workers found their routes quicker. The curb cut taught a powerful lesson. A tiny design tweak aimed at a specific need can create a ripple effect that benefits everyone. Inclusive design is not a special add-on, it is a smart, efficient way to make public spaces work for all. Today, the curb cut is a global standard, proving that when designers listen to the most vulnerable users, the solution often rolls forward for the whole community.